Children, which lesson we are learning? Lesson 6, Frigid Climate, Greenland. We discussed about the landscape and climate of this region. Okay, now animal life of this region. This Greenland, how is the animal life in this Greenland? Here the animals are skin covered with fur on their bodies because this is very coldest climate. So they have to control that cold climate, that type of skin for that animals. Here some animals which are living in this region: reindeer, polar bear, musk ox, seals, wolf. Wolf-like dogs are there. They are called huskies. Here wolf-like dogs are there. They are called huskies. These huskies are essential for domestic purposes, to travel on that snow and for hunting. For domestic purpose, to take luggage, these huskies are used for hunting and pulling sledges. There is a cart called, that name is sledge. These huskies pull the sledges in this area, polar regions. And some few birds also, only few birds lives in this region. But every year millions of birds like geese, waders come here to nest and feed. In this place, every year millions of birds like geese and waders come to nest and feed in the polar regions. Some animals, sea animals also there. Seals, walruses, whales and polar bears live in the sea. Okay, next come to the life of people. How is the life of people in Greenland? Estimated population approximately, it was taken in 1996. That time 58,000 people are there in Greenland. This is the approximate population. Suppose if we see land wise, it is 50 times bigger than Denmark. If we see land wise, it is 50 times bigger than Denmark. Here Eskimos lived in this region. Eskimos lived in this region. These Eskimos came from North America around 1000 years ago. These Eskimos came from North America and settled here. 80% of population are Eskimos in this region. 80% population are Eskimos in Greenland. These are people with short and stout bodies. Eskimos are short people and stout bodies. Faces are flat with narrow black eyes. Their faces are flat with narrow black eyes. And they have copper yellow skin. Their skin is copper yellow color. These people adapted to live in that cold climate because Greenland is almost throughout year covered with snow and ice. These people are adapted to live in that region. They are hard working and cheerful. These people do very hard work and are always cheerful. That means always happy they are. How they live in this region? By hunting, fishing and gathering roots during the short summer season and spring season. They gather the roots, some roots, and they do the fishing and hunting. And these people, Eskimos, live in groups. They live in groups. Okay, who lived in the Greenland? Eskimos. That people are called Eskimos. They are living in Greenland, polar region. That is frigid climate. These people came from North America 1000 years ago and they are settled here. They adopted this cold climate. 80% population are Eskimos. How are these people? These people are short and stout. They have flat face and narrow black eyes. They have copper yellow skin. These people are hard working people. Okay, how is the animal life in Greenland? There are some animals, their body almost covered with skin, that is called fur. Why? Because this area is very cold throughout the year. This area is very cold, covered with snow and ice. So they have to adapt that climate. Which animals live in this region? Reindeer, polar bear, muskox, seals, wolf-like dogs, huskies. These huskies are used to carry, to pull sledges, and for hunting. These huskies are used. And some few birds also in this region. Very few birds, but millions of birds every year. Millions of birds like geese and waders come to this place to nest and feed in this region. Some sea animals also there, seals, walruses, whales. Okay, these are the animals living in Greenland. And the life of people, mainly which people are living? Eskimos. Later we learn in the next class about Eskimos life.